Today I want to share with you one good recycle tip. This pet bottle, soda pet bottle, we will make basically can topper, like a free spill can topper. I'm sure you can buy at Walmart, you can buy from other place, but actually you can recycle this from daily garbage. Alright, you just need an empty pet bottle and a soda can and heat gun. Alright, next you use heat gun and just go around. Just go around. Keep balance. Wait until cool down. And will be pop up like this. Alright, and you can put it in. Nice. Actually you can make more longer, I see. Alright, very nice. So you can drink half of them and the rest of them just keep close. Alright, like this. That's good. Nice. So open the soda can. Alright, like this. So basically what? Spill free spill. Alright. Oh, that's the thing, you gotta be careful.